Story 1. Where's Monkey? Rocket, Star, Twig and Melody are at play school. "Hello, children," says the teacher. "Let's play a game." Star, Twig and Melody close their eyes and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Rocket runs into the playhouse. The children open their eyes. "Where's Rocket?" asks the teacher. "Can you find him?" "Let's look," says Star. Melody and Twig look under the table. "Ooh, Rocket!" calls Melody. "Where are you?" "Rocket isn't here," says Twig. So Star looks in the playhouse. "Aha! Here's Rocket," she says. "Yes, here I am," says Rocket. "Well done, Star," says the teacher. Hey! Rocket's here, but oh dear, where's Monkey? "Ooh, Monkey, where are you?" calls Rocket. "Let's look," says Star. "Ooh!" So where's Monkey? Melody looks in the toy box. "I can see 2 ears and 2 eyes," she says. "Yes," says Twig, "and I can see a nose and a mouth." "It's Monkey!" say Melody and Twig. "Oh, Monkey!" says Rocket. "Thank you, everyone!" And all the children say, "Hooray!"